Hello viewers, today I have got yet another recipe which is holy fish made with eggplant. So I got this purchased from Sajarat in West Bengal, which is nearby to this is Mudhamgram station and in Kolkata. So I've got this fish live from Sajarat market at Mudhamgram. So let's see how we make this recipe. But before we start this recipe, please like and comment Jai Sri Ram, Radhe Radhe or Jai Bharat, Jai Hind. I've taken the fish and will marinate it with salt and turmeric as the ingredients has been given on the screen, and mix it up with the hand. This has got infinite number of bones. While eating, you have to be really careful. Regular people cannot have it, and it is so healthy. The disease will vanish if you eat this. This is so wonderful recipe. I've cut the eggplant into large chunks. I put the oil in non-stick fry pan, allowing it to heat. Once hot, I'll put the fish, cook it evenly on all the sides. This is a kind of fish which is flat like pomfret, not round fish. And once done, we'll remove it in another plate or container. In the same oil, we'll put black onion seed, allowing it to splatter. Then I'll add the eggplant which has been cut and put in water, and eventually cook it till golden, covering occasionally and removing and stirring it all the sides. It will take around 8 to 10 minutes of cooking time for this eggplant. You can put in full fire because there is, once it has turned, you can put in full fire and cook it. And after this, we'll put little salt, little of turmeric powder, and then stir it and put the lid on so that the salt and the marinade of the turmeric goes into evenly. In this stage, we'll be adding ginger paste, tomato, ginger paste, red chili paste, and coriander powder and cumin powder. Then stir it evenly, and this masala should not burn. During this stage, it has to be slow, really slow fire. Once this is sauteed, we'll put the water so that the masala doesn't burn. Allowing it to boil for another 5 minutes. When 5 minutes has gone, in a slow fire, we'll add the fish. This is the basic principle of cooking fish, and this has got infinite number of bones. Should be really careful while eating this particular fish. Then cook it for another 5 minutes. Once done, remove and put in a serving bowl. Check the seasoning. If required, you put some more, or else remove it in a serving dish. This has to be eaten with steamed rice, because this is so delicate flavor will come only in steamed rice. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and give your love so that this channel grows properly. Bye bye for now. Thank you. Bye bye.